Good morning, students. We are learning this lesson in the kingdom of fools, and you have now already come to know that this was all about a kingdom of fools. The king and his ministers were also doing the things just opposite to what we do today or other people do today. And you know the story that it was the murder of a burglar, and blame passed on from one person to another, and ultimately it had come back again to the merchant whose house wall collapsed and the thief was killed. He pleaded not to kill him. Then king did not get angry, and he said that he had to be killed. He had to be executed. Execution, I had told you that it is to be killed, फांसी लगवाना. And his servants sharpened the stake and got it ready for the final impaling of the criminal. उनके जो servants थे king के, they prepared this stake. Then it occurred to the minister that this merchant was somehow too thin to be properly executed on the stake. एक मिनिस्टर के दिमाग में ये ख्याल आया कि वो बहुत ही दुबला है, and this he could not fit onto the stake. Now the king too worried about the situation. We have to start from here, page number 23. What shall we do? He said, when suddenly it struck him that all they needed to do was to find a man fat enough to fit the stake. The servants were immediately went all over to the town looking for a man who would fit the stake. And their eyes fell on the disciple who had fattened himself for months on bananas and rice and meat and ghee. Just think, now the search for another person who could fit onto the stake means that merchant could not fit onto the stake, and therefore the king ordered to find a man who would be fat enough to fit on the stake. मीन्स फांसी देने के लिए भी एक नया पर्सन ढूंढना उन्होंने शुरू कर दिया. फाइन. सो देयर men means those people's eye fell on the disciples' fat body, on the disciple who became quite fat enough by eating bananas, rice, wheat and ghee, because everything cost very little. Okay, so this way they caught the disciple. Come to page number 24. What have I done wrong? I am innocent. I am a sannyasi. वो चिल्लाया, अरे मैंने क्या किया, मैं तो एक सन्यासी हूँ. I haven't done anything. I haven't done anything wrong. I am innocent. I am not a criminal. Why are you catching me? मैं तो एक सन्यासी हूँ. सन्यासी आप सब जानते हो. That may be true, but it's the royal decree that we should find a man fat enough to fit the stake. They said, and carried him to the place of execution. He remembered his wise guru's words. This is a city of fools. Now he remembered. You don't know what they will do next. While he was waiting for death, he prayed to his Guru in his heart asking him to hear his cry wherever he was. The Guru saw everything in a vision. He had magic powers. He could see far and he could see the future as he could see the present and the past. He arrived at once to save his disciple, who had got himself into such a scrape through love of food. Now the disciple remembered his Guru. The servant, when they were getting hold of the disciple, he said that he was not a criminal, he was an innocent person. But those men said that it was a royal order. Decree means royal order, official order that has the force of law. So he said that, means those people from the royal court, they said that they had an official order. And then he remembered his Guru's words that that city was the city of fools and anything could happen anytime. Then suddenly the disciple started remembering his Guru's words and he wanted that his Guru could listen to him, his pleading. And even Guru was having a special power, magical power, super power. He could see as future as well as into past. Past देख सकते थे तो future भी देख सकते थे. Therefore, this Guru was now able to listen to the plea of his disciple. अब वो उसको समझ में आ गया कि उनका डिसाइपल उन्हें याद कर रहा है. And because of his magic powers, he reached there immediately. And he arrived at once at the place where his disciple was standing, and he saw that his disciple became quite fat enough by eating and through the love of food. Scrap means to get into an embarrassing situation because of others' foolishness. He means Guru had to face an embarrassing situation because of his disciple, and disciple got into a difficult situation because of his love for food. As soon as he arrived, he scolded the disciple and told him something in a whisper. Then he went to the king and addressed him, O wisest of kings, who is greater, the Guru or the disciple? Now, when he reached there, he scolded the disciple. The disciple को डांटना शुरू कर दिया. उसको कहा, उसके कान में कुछ धीरे से कहा. Whisper means speaking very lowly. बहुत धीरे से बोलना. बोलने के अलग अलग वॉल्यूम के अकॉर्डिंग हमारे पास वर्ड्स हैं. Whispering, crying, shouting, speaking, murmuring. Okay? So try to find out these word meanings from your dictionaries. So he said, now first of all he whispered something in the ears of his disciple, and then he addressed the king, O wisest of kings. अरे आप तो महान बुद्धिमान किंग हैं, आप बताइए कौन बड़ा है, disciple या गुरु? Of course the Guru, no doubt about it. Why do you ask? The king again replied, of course Guru ही बड़ा है, तुम क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Then put me to the stake first. Put my disciple to death after me. He asked the king to put him to the death first, to put him on the stake first. उसने कहा कि पहले मुझे मारा जाना चाहिए, पहले मेरी मृत्यु आना चाहिए. Then put me to the stake first. पहले मुझे स्टेक पर चढ़ाया जाए. And then my disciple. When the disciple heard this, he understood and began to clamor, "My first, you brought me here first, put me to the death first, not him." Now, there was a different kind of fighting between them. डिसाइपल ने जैसे ही सुना कि गुरु ने कह दिया कि पुट मी टू द डेथ फर्स्ट, पुट मी टू द ऑन टू द स्टेक फर्स्ट, द डिसाइपल स्टार्टेड शाउटिंग, क्लेमरिंग करने लगा वो, अरे मुझे पहले मारा जाना चाहिए, मी फर्स्ट, मुझे पहले लाया गया ना, यू ब्रॉट मी हियर फर्स्ट। किंग को कह रहा वो कि आप मुझे पहले यहाँ लाए, मुझे पहले मारा जाना चाहिए, ना कि मेरे गुरु को। The Guru and the disciple now got into a fight about who should go first. The king was puzzled by this behavior. He asked the Guru, "Why do you want to die?" "We chose him because we needed a fat man for the stake." The king asked the Guru that why are you interested to get डाई। उन्होंने पूछा, राजा ने पूछा जिस गुरु से कि आप क्यों मरना चाहते हैं, हम तो डिसाइपल को इसके लिए लाए कि ये इज फैट इनफ टू बी पुट ऑन द स्टेक, हम तो इसके लिए लाए, तुम क्यों मरना चाहते हो? "You shouldn't ask me such questions, put me to the death first," replied the Guru. Guru straightforwardly said that don't ask me such questions, मुझसे क्वेश्चन मत पूछो, बस मुझे तो पहले फांसी लगा दो, मुझे पहले मृत्यु आ जानी चाहिए। "Why, there is some mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand." Now the king is surprised. क्या बोला किंग? अरे जरूर कोई न कोई मिस्ट्री होगी। Why do you want? Otherwise, you are such a wise man and you are asking for the death. It means there is some mystery about it. Okay? So, I hope you are getting what is conveyed through this explanation. Then, Guru said, Guru asked the king, "Will you promise me to death if I tell you?" Asked the Guru. The king gave him his solemn word. The Guru took him aside, one out of the servants' earshots, and whispered to him, "Do you know why we want to die right now, the two of us? We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like you. That stake is the stake of the God of justice. It's new. It has never had a criminal on it. Whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country." Just think the creative idea of the Guru. The stake is the stake of the God of justice. It's new. It has never had a criminal on it. Whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country. And whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. We are sick of our ascetic life. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as king and ministers for a while. Now keep your word. May Lord put us to death, me first, remember. Now the Guru has started giving his argument about why they want to die first, means first Guru and then disciple. He gave good reasons behind it. So, in this paragraph, you are going to find the perfect reason the Guru gave. Okay.